Use of this or that. A. Fill in the blanks using this or that. That is a bun. This is an aeroplane. This is a gun. That is a rose. That is a bat. This is an elephant.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.